Hey everyone, how many of you have hens and chicks, Sempervivum, in your garden right now? Would you like to see the spring color of the Sempervivum today? How many of you know that they change colors throughout the season? Well, you ought to see my succulent garden. It is really amazing right now, full of color. I love hens and chicks. There's so many different hens and chicks on the market right now. This succulent is amazing in our area, zone 5. It comes back every year and it multiplies every year, and I just love the spring color. I'm going to show you all the different varieties, the different names of the succulents, the hens and chicks that I have. So I'm excited to share it with you because I don't think I ever remembered this much color in the garden. It's probably been there, but it's really showing off this year. As always, just appreciate a thumbs up on this video. It helps me grow my channel, gets my channel seen more. So toss a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, go ahead and do that right now. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I have new content coming on my garden channel. Hi everyone, if you are a fan of hens and chicks Sempervivum, you got to see this spring color. I'm going to go through each cultivar, each variety, and I want to show you how pretty they are in May. This is why I love them so much. This is why I have many beds of the hens and chicks. Hardy, they wintered really well this last year because we were really cold. I put plenty of pea gravel around them, and I think it really helped with the drainage because snow was sitting on these for a little while. All right, let's go through some of these. I want to show you what they look like right now. This one is the Sanford hybrid. Look at the beautiful burgundish color. Look at all the babies. You can see all the adults. Wonderful. The next one is Silverine. You can see that really nice big one right there. Look at all the little babies. Amazing. This one is a green one, but look at the tips on those. This is called Sunset. Look at that. What do you think of that one? Silver King. Look at the color on this one. Spring color, you guys and gals. Spring color. Very attractive. Desert Bloom. Red Beauty. Oh, I am so thrilled with these. Royal Ruby. Commander Hay, one of my favorites. Look at all those plants in there. Hopewell. These are just a green variety. I got the green variety all the way back through there. Last year I thinned them out quite a bit, but look how they have come in. This one, I do not know the name of it, but look at that beautiful spring color. Candy Floss. Nice, beautiful green color. Look at the tips. Then I made some containers last year, and they survived. Amazing. This is the Sedum Angelina. This one is the Sedum Dragon's Blood. Look at the burgundy. Isn't that pretty? They would be more burgundy the more sun they get. Then I put this trough last year, an old trough that we had, and I loaded it up with, I put single hens and chicks on it, but look how that multiplied. Amazing. Then I put one in a pot last year, and they wintered. So thrilled. Then we got the Blue Spruce Sedum, another plant I just adore. Very easy to start. Here's another pot that I put together. I put some Dragon Blood Sedum, and they made it over the winter. Amazing. I put some succulents last year in these 6-inch pots. They wintered in 6-inch pots. The beautiful burgundy tips on the green one. This one is Commander Hay, I believe. Put it in a pot, it multiplied, 6-inch pot again. They wintered in that pot. Here's a container I made up last year. I just love this container. Look at the different sizes and the different varieties of hens and chicks in this pot. Just beautiful. This one is the black pearl sedum. Planted these last year. I didn't know if they would winter here, but they did, and I'm so pleased. So as you can see, the spring color is fantastic. These get morning sun, afternoon shade, and I think it's an ideal area for your hens and chicks because they don't really like the hot part of the day, believe it or not. And you can see that I just used some old broken up bricks to make my beds, and I really like that natural look. So I love collecting hens and chicks. I do sell them on eBay in the spring and summer months if anybody is interested. Wanted to share that spring color because you don't always see that. The color will fade on these as we get hotter here, and things are going to change. They do change in color. That's what I like about them, but if they get really stressed and hot, they will not look near as pretty. But since they get afternoon shade, it really helps benefits them quite a bit. Hey, Tom Tom, you look a little dirty and you are getting chunky. Yeah, how are you? He's getting some age on him, but look at him. He's white, but now he's dirty. Just want to give you some different views of what I see here. I do have to weed this. Now, I put a lot of pea gravel down, but I do got to weed this. I got to stay on it, otherwise we'll have weeds growing in between them. They don't get too bad though. If you got really tight succulents like right here, you're not going to see a lot of weeds. The weeds don't go through them very well. Not sure the name of this one right here, but look at it. It's going to bloom. Ain't that pretty? I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you love succulents like I do, because you can dress them up, you can put them in pots, you can put them in old shoes, you can put them in almost about anything, but also have good drainage. Now, this is just regular well-drained soil here, and I do use a lot of pea gravel, which really helps keep them going. It does help them from rotting. It helps with the drainage, and they've just done so well here. So when things look pretty like this, I gotta share them, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye. If you like this video, can I get a thumbs up? Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get notified of all my new video content. Thank you, and I will see you next time.